everyone and welcome to ES Variety Vlogs, and today sasamahan niyo ako to do this unboxing of a small parcel. Maliit lang siya guys, but this is very beneficial to our health, especially now that I'm not having rice in my diet, so kailangan ko talaga siya. Mayroon naman akong malaking version nito, but of course I cannot bring it whenever I have to go to work or maybe I have to go to travel. So naisipan ko talagang bumili nito, lalo na nung June 6, di ba? Sale ng Lazada. So that's why I ordered this one. And katulad ng mga iba nating binibili, as every time we'll be buying, dapat pag-isipan talaga nating maigi if we really need it. Kasi kapag hindi naman talaga natin kailangan, once na yun, which is really bad for our budget already. So yun na nga guys, we come up that we really need this one. Especially, magagamit ko talaga ito sa workplace. And then of course, when I will be traveling, lalo na mayroon tayong pupuntahan soon, so pwede ko siyang dala-dala kasi very handy naman siya. And para malaman nyo kung anong nilalaman nga, buksan na natin. Para sabi niya, ano yung kiyaw-kiyaw ni ES Variety Vlogs dyan na ang tagal naman buksan, ang dami-daming sinasabi, ang daming dada. Anyway, ito na, bubuksan na natin para sa inyo. So, ang nilalaman ng ating small parcel na to is a wala nang laman yan, so tapon na doon. And it is our small, so it's just like glass. I have two glasses of course, kasi yung isa guys is reserved siya. So kapag hindi ka kontento doon sa isa, pwede kang gumawa ng dalawa. Unlike sa jowa na kailangan isa lang talaga, it is not advisable na kailangan mayroon kang reserve pagdating sa jowa. Pero pagdating nito, kailangan mayroon kang reserve talaga. And this is our handy smoothie makers. So ganito lang siya guys, ano. So ayan yung kanyang blade. And then ilagay mo dito yung mga kung ano yung gusto mong gawin na smoothie, like mango o kaya watermelon o kaya kung ano man gusto mo. And then you have to lock this one, and kita niyang umiilaw. Oh, wala pala. So ayan, ano siya guys, USB chargeable siya, so pwede mong dalhin talaga. And then pagkatapos mo siyang gawin, nagawa mo na yung iyong smoothie, so you can remove it, and then pwede mong takpan muna kasi mayroon naman siyang cover na kasali. So ganyan siya kaganda guys. So yun, so safety na yung iyong smoothie, and then may cover na, so ganun siya kaganda. So dahil hindi ka kontento, gawa ka na naman ng isa, or maybe this is a mango smoothie and this will be a watermelon smoothie, so meron ka ng dalawa. And then pag wala na siyang battery, you can just charge it. At may kasama na naman siyang charger, which is a USB charger na very common nowadays. So ganun siya ka-useful guys, yung ating handy smoothie maker. So ganito lang siya kalaki talaga actually. So dalawa yan, and I'm excited to use this very soon, maybe on Monday, because dito naman sa bahay during weekend is mayroon akong smoothie maker naman dito. So this is just for traveling and whenever I have to go to work. So thank you guys for watching, and if you like this one, you can just order it via Lazada or kung saan man kayo nagsha-shopping, and mabilis nyo lang ito makita. It's a handy smoothie maker. And thank you really for watching, and if you have not subscribed to ES Variety Vlogs, please subscribe in there, and don't forget to press like, and of course hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we have new upload to this channel. And thank you very much guys for watching.